Water check. Hey, look, they're over at that gas station now.
They went from one fucking parking lot to another.
We love riding, bro. We're hardcore riders.
You good?
Yep, good. Officially on the road.
Right?
Yeah.
I give him a ride. Dude, that guy looks like a fucking prospector. That guy looked like he mined gold.
Right? Might be a cop.
It is a cop.
Sheriff. Yeah.
Speed limit's 80 though.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, well then that's good.
No one tagged that on Waze. Ah, so beautiful. You know, you can really admire the beauty at 100 miles an hour. I think if I was a drug dealer, I couldn't take as much, but I feel like the motorcycle is a safer form of transportation when you're carrying drugs across state lines. Because then you just always look like you're on vacation.
Right. Well, you just go with the big group.
Yeah.
Yeah, everyone carries their own. That guy hauling ass on his truck down that dirt road.
Was he?
Yeah.
Ah.
Is that a bad idea?
No, not at all.
Hot chip. Anything in that one?
It says this one, but I don't believe it.
State Route 72.
Okay. Ow, ow, ow.
Wait, is this how we usually... This doesn't look like the right one.
There's a rest area.
No, it's like the next one.
Then turn left.
Why am I turning left? What the fuck?
Turn right.
Oh, turn right.
Then turn left on
Are we going right?
Route 76.
Are we going,
Oh, good turn right.
let's turn right, huh?
Yeah.
Okie dokie. Alright.
Well, there's 72. We're just, I guess, approaching it from a different angle.
Turn left onto State Route 76.
Yeah. Just enough to make you worry.
Right? It's not the ones that cross roads, it's the ones that go in line with the road that I don't
Yeah.
In a different direction.
We are.
Yeah.
This is the back way.
Yeah.
Oh.
Is this the way we left last time?
No, that we came this way and then went that way to Torrey.
Oh, there's a shit ton of gravel right there.
Yeah, that's what I said. Okay, everybody good?
Yep. Yeah.
Okay. Let's go past this dude. You know, just triple the speed limit, whatever. Oh, the leaves are brown and the sky is gray.
I didn't get ahead. That's you right there.
Oh yeah, it is. Yes, it is. Isn't this when we started seeing cows too? Or like,
Yeah.
there were cows here, so. You know what's going to be nice is that area where like the aspens are over the road.
Yeah, like right next to it.
Yep.
Oh, here comes the good leaf shot. Good leaf shot. I'm sure it does look cool though.
It did look cool.
I thought, I was like, for a second, I was like, oh, I got a cow. But just kidding, it's a real bike.
It's a real bike.
Which I legitimately thought that. I mean, it's not, anyway.
Is that a girl
That's
on the?
crazy.
Oh, the lava rocks.
Yeah. Yes, that is a woman. I wouldn't say girl.
It's Pat. Oh, there's a car coming.
So is this like a crater of a volcano we're in right now?
It might be. I'm not sure. I haven't looked into like the history of.
I'm going around.
Yeah, me too.
There's cows.
Oh, yep.
There they are.
We should pull over and take a photo.
Huh?
I said we should pull over and take a photo.
Where do you want to pull? You right here. There's parking lot right here.
Let's do it. Let's try it. Let's see. Oh, that'll be perfect.
That's it.
Who wants to touch the water? I bet it's freezing.
Look, we got our own little private track.
Who can put their knee down first? These bumps are bumpy.
Yeah. We could do like multiple angles.
Yeah.
Okay. One with the porta potty, one with the. Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking.
That's exactly.
With everything we could see, like I could really use a porta potty photo.
How are we parked? Is this acceptable?
I gotta get up a little more. We gotta, yeah, that one come forward. Get a nice shot that way. Tell me when to stop. Pretty good.
Your bike is just so upright.
I know. Mine?
No.
Oh.
His. Yours is actually more upright than mine. Oh. Dude, I'm gonna have a bruise there.
A rock?
No, it wasn't rock. It was a piece of asphalt that big. I literally saw it come off the back of his tire, and I was just like, oh. Actually, true fact, these things have been around as long as the redwoods in California.
Really? They're just not as impressive.
Well, yeah, because I mean, aspen trees only get so big.
Yeah. They're not like bigger around than a house.
Correct. You can't drive through any of them.
Exactly.
Exactly.
I'd like to drive around this fucking thing.
we've officially made it back to Torrey.
Here you go.
It's like the 5th time I've been here this year.
This year?
Yeah.
Really?
Let's see, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4th time, pardon me, 4th time. I came with my girlfriend, and then I came with Paris, and then I came with you guys.
3 times on bikes, though.
Yes. Going for it. I don't know what the...
Probably just pissed this van off. Yeah, he probably did. Huh? Too slow.
Too slow.
Oh, God, no.
Oh, jeez.
Money shot.
Oh.
The rim rocket, huh?
Yep. I just want to see. I'm not going to say anything. I just want to know if he knows where he's going.
I don't remember. This one right here.
How do you not remember? We've been here like
At this point,
we've been here like
Capitol Reef Resort.
we've been here like 5 times.
I have this right here.
Good spot.
Hey, there's a barbecue patio pizza.
Yeah, that actually is decent pizza too.
Is it?
Yeah, we could go there. Boop.
I can see him the reflection of my oh shit.
You just boot me. How dare you boot me? Oh, look at that. That's beautiful.